Are you online searching for a business you can work remotely with, a company that you can work with from the comfort and safety of your own home? I totally understand. With everything going on in the world today, there's a lot of people looking right now. I'm personally looking for a handful of people to onboard our company, and I want to give you a free $200 hotel savings card just for stepping out of the box and taking a call from me. And let's discuss what I have available. Hello, my name is Denise. A little bit about me. I'm from New York, and I'm a mom of 3 amazing adults and 3 awesome grandsons. So that's just a little bit about me. So now I would like for you to simply fill out the form below, answer the survey questions, and then you will be directed to my Facebook page where we can connect in person, and you can see that I'm a real person and that this is a legit opportunity for you if you're serious. But if you're not serious, please don't waste my time or yours. But if you are, I would love to speak with you, and I will give you a free $200 hotel savings card just for speaking with me. Thank you. I look forward to speaking with you. God bless.